Hi class, let's take a look at example 3. And in example 3, they want us to expand and provide a sketch of the sequence. Now, it's actually going to be not a parabola, but only a couple of values from the parabola. But let's actually start with the expansion. So for n is equal to 1, you would actually have that a sub 1 is equal to 1 squared plus 1, or the values of 2. N is equal to 2, a sub 2 would actually give us that this is 2 squared plus 1, or, well, 4 plus 1, I'm getting 5 for the next one. N is equal to 3, a sub 3 is equal to 3, technically squared plus 1, which is going to give us 10. So you only need 3 terms in the expansion, or 3 non-zero terms, same as what we done before. So in this case, a sub n, which is equal to n squared plus 1, can be expressed as 2, 5, 10, and the pattern is going to go on and on indefinitely. So that's actually it for the expansion. Let me do the graph of a sub n. And some of these could be very small values as n becomes large. Provide a basic sketch, it's fine if it's off. So this is the graph of a sub n. So the graph of a sub n, and all I need is basically the following. So your y values are going to be technically a sub n, and your x's are going to be n. So this is n, and this is technically a sub n. So for n is equal to 1, we obtain the first value to be 2. So technically, this is the first coordinate point, which happens to be at 1, 2. The next one occurred at 2, so this will be 2. Let me actually change colors. So at 2, your y value was 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the next one at 3, so this is 3, and then our y value was 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me adjust it. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 is about there, so about here. Okay, that's actually it. Let me just put in the parabola that I was mentioning, and then I'll remove it. So if it had been a regular function, like an f of x is equal to x squared plus 1, the domain of this one is all real numbers. So technically every number on the number line, you would have had this to be your parabola. But since these are sequences, you're technically only are using the the integers as your x is 1, 2, and 3, and so on to infinity. So technically this portion doesn't apply, but that is only if it had been a function, meaning that the domain is all real numbers. So you would only be plugging in a couple of coordinate points. In this case, you can actually kind of see that there is a little bit of a curve, and I'm talking about a curve in this direction. Not to scale, but there is a parabola. So let me just draw the parabola as a dotted going in this direction. And I'm writing it as a dotted because it's technically not part of it. It's not f of x is equal to x squared plus 1, but you can actually see the coordinate points that belong to it. In this case, only the natural numbers starting at 1, 2, and 3, and then the pattern continues. So for any other problem, you're just putting the dots, and some of the terms as you carry the expansions make it very, very small. So we just picked 3, that are non-zero. That would be it for example 3.